If you doom scroll too, you must have seen alternate Stranger Things endings powered by AI. But it's not all fun and games now. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your help of the latest tech news. A jaw-dropping viral video has taken over social media after Brazilian creator Edgar Xavier appeared to flawlessly swap his face and body with Stranger Things stars Millie Bobby Brown, David Harbour, and Finn Wolfhard. The clip was made using Kling AI's new motion control tech and has bagged more than 14 million views on X alone. Viewers were in shock how real it looked and caught the attention of top tech insiders. Venture capitalist Justine Moore warned, "We're not prepared for how quickly production pipelines are gonna change with AI. Hollywood is one step away from zero-cost production nightmare." But experts say this is way darker than just Hollywood. Cybersecurity pals are saying anyone can impersonate himself as anyone using tools like Kling, Google's VO, Face Fusion, and OpenAI's Sora. A rep from Get Real Security said, "The floodgates are open. Anyone can steal a face, a voice, and bring it to life. No one is safe." The older deepfakes were easy to catch as the focus was only on faces, but now they can copy the entire bodies, including movement, clothing, and even posture. That makes detection far harder and misuse way easier. It's no longer just celebrity pranks. A good AI-generated video can cause serious damage, like non-consensual explicit videos, political disinformation, corporate fraud, and CEO impersonation scams. Some creators have already posted body swap versions of Leonardo DiCaprio and other A-listers, raising urgent questions about consent and responsibility. So, who's responsible? Developers, platforms, policymakers, or users themselves? Experts say everyone shares the blame and the clock is ticking. Subscribe to GadInsider, like, comment, and share the video. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update. In May, an AI-generated image of Katy Perry attending the 2024 Met Gala went viral on X. The post raked in over 16 million views, with many commenters expressing their shock that the photo had been made using AI. The post was quickly debunked, with confirmation that Perry hadn't attended the 2024 gala, and people noticing that the carpet in the picture was actually from the 2018 Met Gala. But with AI images and deepfakes now reaching new levels of realism, it can often be difficult to tell the difference between a genuine photograph and an AI-generated image. It can be easy to fool by an AI image, so we thought we'd take a look at some of the ways that you can spot that an image might be artificial. First off, focus on the details. The quality of AI images is constantly getting better, with the best ones now almost indistinguishable from real photos, but they often have a few giveaways. AI images are produced using data taken from other photos, so AI programs often struggle with details that you may see less frequently in other pictures. Take the picture of Ryan Reynolds, for instance. While much of the image looks realistic, the fingers on Ryan's right hand are unnaturally shaped, which is a handy giveaway that the image you're looking at is AI. If Reynolds' hand isn't enough of a giveaway that the image is made using AI, then a little more visual digging would reveal that the writing on his F1 jacket is complete gibberish. This is a telltale sign of AI images, as they often get small details like text or logos wrong. Second off, be wary of perfection. Another surefire way of identifying an AI image is checking if it looks a little too perfect. AI images often lack details that can be found in real pictures, leading to these photos having an airbrush look. This picture of Ariana Grande may look like the pop superstar, but it lacks any sort of texture and detail in the face, giving the picture an overly crisp, smooth appearance, which in turn gives away its AI origins. Another giveaway that an image might be AI is the location. AI images are often set in a perfect location or fantasy world, and whilst there might genuinely be a flock of flamingos in the background of a photograph, their presence here is just another clue that something isn't quite right. Reverse image search. If you've looked at the hands and the face and you're still none the wiser, another good option is to do a reverse image search. This will identify other places on the internet that the photo exists within and can be very helpful when trying to determine if a picture is AI or real. Generally, AI photos will appear in fewer places than real ones, so it'll show up less frequently when you run a reverse image search. A reverse search can also lead you to the original source of the image, which can be clearer in identifying the picture as AI generated through the use of hashtags or the source's name. Another thing to note is whether the image comes from a trusted website. Is over. AI slop has won. Our feeds are flooded with perfect faces, flawless feathers, and cinematic nonsense. and good luck figuring out what's real anymore. But what if 2026 flips the script? Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. Instagram boss Adam Mosseri teased an idea in a recent New Year's post. He bluntly admitted that authenticity is becoming scarce. The new flex isn't, can you create? It's, can you make something only you could make? That explains why raw, messy, unpolished content is suddenly cool again. Grainy photos, awkward lighting, real moments. All of it fights back hard with what platforms are selling. Hyper-processed images where everything looks suspiciously beautiful, fake bokeh, perfect skin, unreal vibes. But AI will soon help creators fake imperfection too. Want something that looks real? Just tell the machine to add flaws. Meta, OpenAI, Google, everyone will sell that button. So Mosseri has a different solution for it. Stop trying to label what's fake and start fingerprinting what's real. Instead of chasing AI, platforms could tag authentic media before it even goes online. Photos and videos already carry EXIF and XMP data, camera info, settings, time, place. That's hard to fake at scale. Written content and audio are trickier, but reputation, history, and consistency matter too. In 2026, the focus is shifting from spotting AI fakes to highlighting what's real. A universal show me real humans filter could make social media authentic, useful, and simple with just one tap and no slop. Free AI prompt image generator. Turn imagination into lifelike artwork. If you're looking to benefit from a free AI prompt image generator online, then look no further, as GadInsider dedicates this video to telling you about the best free AI image generators, making it easier for you to opt best of the many options. As artificial intelligence has been revolutionizing various walks of life, including the creative sector, the most astonishing change it's brought so far to the creative areas is its capability to generate high-quality and realistic images by just simple text-based input commands. The top 3 AI image generators for free are SoulGen. SoulGen is an AI image generator which could be the best option for anime enthusiasts and those who want to generate their favorite characters' AI images. A standout feature of this tool is that it offers a user-friendly interface which allows even beginners to generate some detailed and astounding images. Besides generating images, this tool also accompanies other features, as it lets the user to even change the character's costume, hair color, and facial expressions. It even offers advanced features to add other fine details to the images, paving the way to create an embellished masterpiece from scratch. DALL-E 2. This AI image generator is a web-based platform, having employed CLIP, contrastive language image pre-training, to generate AI images in return for text-based command prompts. This is one of the major advantages of this app, while its biggest benefit is the capability to support both in-painting and out-painting. Its in-painting and out-painting features will allow users to generate images having specific details and to remove undesired parts from original images, making it ideal for creative individuals and enthusiasts. Deep AI. Deep AI is an AI image generator which stands out not only for allowing the users to produce images through text command prompts, but also by letting users generate AI images from their own captured images. This feature of replicating existing images could prove to be of significant importance for those artists and enthusiasts who often seek creative ideas and inspirations to adopt in their artwork.